How to change the lock screen clock widget font and color in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper. After clicking on wallpaper, then click on customize and then click on clock. Now here you can change your font size, font style, and here you can change the color like that. So this is the way to change the lock screen clock widget font and color in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.